For number 13, if the product price is $2 per unit and the market wage rate is $20 per unit of labor, the profit maximizing quantity of labor is. And so we have to remember that the old rule with productions and with product market is that you produce until marginal cost equals marginal benefit, right? Or marginal cost, marginal revenue equals marginal cost, whatever it is that you prefer. And in this case, it's you want to produce until marginal revenue product equals marginal factor cost. And of course, if you're in a pinch, you want the marginal revenue product to be greater than the marginal factor cost. In this case, they're telling you that the marginal factor cost is $20. So at that point, what you're doing is you're just trying to calculate marginal product. So for unit 1, it's 20, then it is 30 for the second, it is 40 for the third, it is 30 for the fourth, and this is 20, and this is 10, and this is 0. I can pretty much guarantee you that 0 is not going to be profitable. That is negative 10. And so we know that that's what they're producing, but it's not the marginal product, it's the marginal revenue product, so we got to multiply all these by 2. So we're looking at 40, 60, 80, 60, 40, 20, 0. And the answer is you want to produce until marginal revenue product equals marginal factor cost, which is right here because the marginal factor cost is 20. The marginal revenue product right there is 20. The answer is 6.